Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to go from nap time hair to this fun and casual hairstyle with wand curls. So let's begin. First items that you will need will be a comb or brush, hair ties or hair clips, heat protectant and a heat serum, this is optional, and of course your curling wand. So you just want to go ahead and comb out your hair and separate it into tiny sections and begin proceeding to wand curl your hair. Now I like to wand curl my hair away from my face, but for a messier look, or if you prefer to curl your hair towards your face, you can do so. You want to hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds per section and release it. And there's your curl. And you can spray some hairspray on there if you choose to do so. And you'll just go ahead and continue sectioning off your hair and wand curling it. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this for you guys. So now that you finish curling your hair, you just want to fluff it out and prepare your hair to be put up into a semi ponytail. You're not doing a fully half up, half down, maybe like a 1/3 half up and the rest down. So you're just going to pull that into your hair tie, fluff it out a little bit more to your liking, and that's pretty much it for this. So this will be the finished look. I'm just fluffing it out a little bit more to my liking, and you can go back in and define more curls if you would like to. Thank you all for watching this video today, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.